Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about DBMS Lab external question paper. In this video, I'll discuss DBMS Lab external marks division, question paper and experiment explanation based on your questions. Right. Now, as a faculty member, he or she set the question paper as per syllabus, as we know that. So now see, your question paper divided into 10 sets. In each set, there are 3 questions. Each question carries 20 marks. 3 into 20, 60 marks. For your record or observation, you will get 5 marks. For Viva voice, you will get 10 marks. Total 75 marks. So obviously in internal, you will get 25 marks, right? 25 into 75, total 100 marks. For question number 1, so you will get 10 marks. So that is for written. Question number 2, written 10 marks. Question number 3, written 10 marks. So if you write these 3 questions, the faculty member may ask to execute those 3 questions. So if you execute question number 1, so you will get 10 marks. So if you execute question number 2, again you will get 10 marks. If you execute question number 3, you will get 10 marks. Total 30 marks. For written, 30 marks. For execution, 30 marks. So if you are submit the record and observation, for that you will get 5 marks. So after executing these 3 questions, so faculty member asks to attend the Viva. So for that Viva, so they'll ask 10 questions. So if you answer 10 questions, you will get 10 marks. Now, question paper. DBMS Lab external question paper. So here I have a 10 sets, set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5, set 6, set 7, set 8, set 9, set 10. So in this set, now I want to discuss one by one. Set 1, question number A, question number B, common to all sets. So these 2 questions are common to all the students. So because without these questions, there is no third question. So if you want to write this third question, obviously these questions must be depend on these 2 questions only. So because these 2 questions are really common, so that is based on faculty, but as per DBMS, they must give like this only, because ER model is important, DDL and DML commands is also important, especially in database management systems lab. Now see, A and B questions are common to all the students. See how to concentrate on these 2 questions. Write about concept design with ER model. Draw the ER model for bus, passenger, reservation, cancellation, ticket. So in this case, what you want to do is, so identify the main entities, attributes, and if there any relationship between these 2 entities, you have to give the relationship. See, if you identify the entities, attributes and able to give the relationships, then after you have to draw the ER diagram by using bus, passenger, reservation, cancellation and ticket. So this is the first question. The second question is, write about DDL, DML commands in MySQL. Write the DML commands using the given attributes. So example, the given passenger. So what the question says is, so you have to create the table for passenger. So after that, so you have to insert the records. So minimum 5 or 6 records is good enough for inserting the passenger's entity. So sometimes you may get a chance to create these 5 tables: bus, passenger, reservation, cancellation, ticket. So and they may ask to insert 5 records in each and every entity. So that is about DDL and DML commands. These 2 questions are really common to all the students, all the sets. So now third question is be different. Write the below queries. Example, display the unique PNR number for all passengers. So for that you will get two questions because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 questions, right? 5 into 2 marks. For written, 10 marks. For execution, 10 marks. Okay. Now display all the names of male passengers. So in these cases you have to write the queries. For example, I want to give display the unique PNR number of all passengers. Example, select PNR number from passengers. So that is a query. Display all the names of male passenger. Answer is select name from passengers where sex is equal to male. So like that you have to write the query, then execute the queries. So this is you will get in the lab manual 8 to 9 experiments. So there are 10 queries. You have to read that 10 queries. I'll explain. So after this question explanation. So now come to set 2. Write about concept design with the ER model. Next, DDL and DML operation. Next, display the sorted list of passenger names. So you will get the queries like this. So example, display the sorted list of passenger names. So we'll get in the fourth set they given write about the aggregate functions and also explain with the example. So in these cases you have to write 6 aggregate functions, that is minimum, maximum, average, count and count star. So write that aggregate function, then execute by taking one example. In these cases you have to write syntaxes, example, then execution. Set number 5. 2 questions are common again. So in this set again they given sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 queries. Display the unique PNR number. So I think this question is repeated. Next, 7th set. 2 questions are common. Say again here different questions. Display the sorted list of passenger names. Set number 8. So create a view. 2 questions are common. Third question is create a view for the male passenger who age is in between 30 and 45. So in these cases already you created one passenger table. So on that passenger table create one view. Next, set number 9. So 2 questions are common. Write about the aggregate functions and explain with the example. Question is repeated. Last set, 2 questions are common. Next, third question is again the given some queries. So this is about question paper.
you.